Hi everyone, I'm here to try to help everyone to fix their Nexus 7 tablet. Starting in the back where it says Nexus 7, this is where I started opening it up. Right here in the middle, you try to jam like a skinny kitchen knife, any kitchen knife, pocket knife, or anything, any kind of tool, whatever that you could get in between there. Once when you get it in between there, you're not going to break it. Just hold it flat on a table and just pry it up. Go start from here, keep working all the way on this side, then start on this side and work all the way down. Once when you get it open, just take it off. It just comes right off. Then you look in the back, there's a plug that connects to the battery. Just grab that thing and wedge it, push it back in because it's loose. Both of them that I had were both loose, and I just fixed both of them. It wasn't charging. I was getting flickering screens, um, and that solved it. I think that's what I had the problem with, so hopefully this video helps everyone. Um, cool beans.